All right. Now, 2 tablespoons of dill, more or less as you like. We like a lot of dill. 2 tablespoons, more or less, of parsley. Again, this is way more than 2 tablespoons, but we like our ranch flavorful. And then 2 tablespoons of green onion. About a clove, this is probably 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna add that in. All right, now, a cup of buttermilk. I always add more. This is a half pint here. This is about as much as I add. It's like the whole thing. Because we kind of like ours on the more runny side. A cup of sour cream. I'm not gonna measure. We got a cup of mayo. Hands down, Duke's is the best. Again, I'm not gonna measure. I'm gonna go by eye. And then we're gonna do a tablespoon of salt. Again, going by eye. And a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna do the very dangerous thing and put a lid on it and shake it. All right, this is the consistency of it. If you want your ranch to be just a little more runny, add more buttermilk. But this is a nice consistency. And I'm just gonna let it be in the fridge and hang out until we have dinner tonight. This ranch is so good. It's like embarrassingly good. And it really does taste like Wingstop. So if you are familiar with Wingstop ranch, if it has a chokehold on you, it's this. This is it. We're having pizza and ranch. Pizza with a side of ranch. Ranch with a side of pizza. It tastes good.
It's super good.
I feel like it's the best one I've made. Even though it's the same as always. I didn't really measure on this one. I mean,
I think it's a bit more green onion heavy, where I like it more dill heavy, but...
I could add more dill. I have way more.
No, it's...
It marinates throughout time, though.
That is true.
Like, a couple days later, I feel like it gets extra dilly. So, it kind of marinates. And I did just make it a couple hours ago.
That is true. No, it's excellent.
How's the pizza? Pretty good? Well? Yeah, we made this pizza. I say we. I made this pizza.
But I mean, the ranch is like way superior to any store-bought.
Oh, yeah. I mean, the next best thing...
It's like when you go to a restaurant and you get, like, their homemade ranch.
I mean, the next best thing is, like, the powder. To me, like, if you don't make it homemade, the powder's the best. But, like, anything out of the actual bottles isn't very good. That's just my opinion.
I know you don't think you put buttermilk in that, but this is a much more buttermilk flavor.
It is buttermilk.
Oh.
You do put buttermilk in it. That explains the buttermilk flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I know a lot of them I don't think do, and sometimes I don't know if it's the ranch powder you do. This tastes just actually like...
The ranch powder might have, like, dehydrated.
I think it does, but I'm saying...
Or whatever, freeze-dried, whatever.
But it's not the same.
Yeah.
They just dunk my pizza.
I mean, yeah, that's what we do here. We eat pizza with ranch.
So this kind of pizza.
Yep. Anyway, I think that's about it.
You should make it.
Yeah. Jonathan says you should make it. That means you should definitely make it.
And it does store pretty long, too.
Yeah, it does. It keeps pretty long time. I mean, I make big containers of it because we like ranch. Anyway, I don't know what the next video is going to be, but we'll figure it out. And Jonathan will probably see you in the next one. Who knows? Okay, bye!